like to know that we are supposed to be more than like this and not and nobody in his right mind. Sorry, just madali ano sir. But basically pagkasunado ako na sigla yung mga that's just part of the water running along the streets. Wala ko akong ano, because every 22 years, may one time, kaya speaker. Sama kami sa Congress. I've been a prosecutor for 10 years and one upon a time na kay Inday, historically, wala man akong ano kasi short really of maybe a miracle, a destiny talaga. Nanalo ako sa presidency coming from Axelot. Wala ako isang barangay captain sa Luzon. Konsehal, or even governor, or mayor, wala. Except two governors, si Aimee and one governor in Mindanao, whom I cannot mention because more than that actually. But sabihin ni Sigurado sa iyo. So I'm ready to respond to
celebrated its 30th anniversary recently, and it is still there. So we requested through Edith Regalado if we could visit you instead. Kaya maraming salamat for giving us this opportunity.
Let me just respond to that actually. Kaming mga, I don't know if there's something to do with pretensions but I'm sure it's not. Kami yung mga Bisaya, tawag sa amin is mahilasan kami. Find it really, you are not up to it. Yung gano'n na I go around because if I have to accept engagements, commitment outside of Malacanang, I have to travel. And you must know that long before I passed a certain place, 30-40 minutes yan, especially if the Presidential Coast Guards also cannot miscalculate nila yung pagbaba mo, may paro pang picture taking, at tapos at that time they begin to block the traffic in every corner. And you can be very sure that as time goes on, before waiting for me to pass by, yung traffic na sa point na exponentially and when you finally pass, so they begin to scramble again and find their place in the sun. It takes about 2 to 3 hours to correct that aberration. So ayaw pala kasi nahihiya ako sa mga tao. For after all, natamaan nga si Pope, which was really unintended. Na nagyayaw-yaw ako noon. It would work hardships on the people every time that you do that. May mga tao nakasakay, nakadiabetes, natatain na, or those just not in their system that day, may sakit. Ito yung ayaw ko. Kasi sa Davao, I hate traffic. I always go, pag sa Davao, bumaba ako at saka sinisisid ko kung who's creating the congestion. So yan ho ang So I'd like to be noon wala man makialam sa akin kay nobody would mind me at that time and I went to I was just a candidate. But this time you eat most of the space and it is always at the expense of your fellow men. Kaya sabi ko na hindi na lang ako. Better still If you can schedule your program at 12 o'clock in the evening, noon, ng gabi, I'd be willing to.
Just to beg you.
Yes, sir.
Okay, totoo talaga.
Yes.
And besides, my day begins at 1 o'clock. Hindi ba nag-usap ako ng ambasador yung sa the Netherlands kasi meron tayong yung isang victim nila doon sa Abu Sayyaf is yung bird watching. Napakaugok naman yung animal yan. Karaming karaming ibon sa napunta pa ng
That's right.
problema pa tayo.
Oh.
Bird watching talagang Abu Sayyaf ang teleskopyo mo doon sa but I assure you that we will meron lang akong hinihintay na developments. Then I might, well of course at the start, for a starter, we would want to see the talk starting in Mindanao. Abu Sayyaf excluded MNL, MI. Pag na-plancha ko ito, and I think the possibility that peace is just within our grasp, pati itong mga komunista, sabi ko, may maraming dinadaldal ito si Season, pati si I used to banter with gusto ko yung away-away na supladuhan, but this time, I am not the mayor, I'm already a president, so I have to just shut up and let the others talk. I would not engage them in a name calling. That's beyond me already. Presidente na ako. Kailangan holy na ako mo.
So,
I should be holy. Nahuli na ako, ma'am.
sir, yung ambassador, did he in any way raise
She's a lady.
Yes, yes, sir. Did the ambassador say in any way na si Jomam coming here is having some trouble with life, that's to his life once come here?
There's a question about going there. He cannot get out because he was granted an asylum. So if he goes out and goes back again to Netherlands, parang that would be a very technical issue. He might be denied entry already. One of the conditions is that you would not go back and forth to the country that he's fighting. Usually when you are granted an amnesty, the right to sanctuary, hindi ka talaga pinapalabas na. So that hanggang dyan ka lang, you're not supposed to go anywhere, especially to the country that you are fighting, because that is part of the international rules. Call it the right of sanctuary, an exile. Hindi na siya pwede. Ako naman, I'm not inclined to just really destroy everything. If he comes and he wants to talk, fine with me. He can leave. Pag nandito siya, he must order his forces to stand down. At least during the negotiation stage. Ang akin kasi, ma'am, wala nang, ayaw ko lang sila patulan. But this is the way I'm not trying to pull my own chair. But I'm here. I got 16 million, and 6 of that is really my margin over my next opponent. Itong mga left na ito, sila makapanalo ng kandidato nila, they always lose. In Davao City, 1 or 2 or 3 would win sa bayan because I'm there, I carry them in my ticket. So if they cannot elect from their own to a national office, and even in the barangays, nobody would win that is identified with the communists. What's the point? Pag magsalita kasi sila, parang they carry a clout somewhere when there is none.
Ano po sabi ng ambassador sa inyo?
Well, she wishes us luck, and they would try to do everything to facilitate.
His return.
Kasi parang they're just offering their good offices also, just like also Oslo. Yun lang naman, that's about thing. But it's just a question of whether he can get out of Netherlands or not and still go back there. It's something which is very technical. I think part of the agreement or part of the deal, yung makatira siya doon but is not allowed to go back. If he can make an arrangement with the Oslo, I think Duresa is working on it. And I have no objection. Kasi nga naman kung hindi makabalik, maybe he has adopted Netherlands as his country. Andoon siya is living there, not maybe comfortably. Yung mga tao niya dito na mamamatay, gusto ko dito na bumalik siya dito at yes, for the fact that some of them cried. Sabi na, two of them says, Mayor, mag-resign kami pag... So ganito kasi ang misgivings ko dyan. For itong mga generals, sure talaga ako. But itong mga mayors, validate ako. Some happen to be here because they must have heard of my plan. And two of them cried and said they have to resign. Dito kami nag-get. Tapos sabi nila, siguro, I news runs very fast. Sabi ko, sige, I will revalidate again. Kasi ang nakalagay, protector lang. So what kind of protector? Kasi may iba sabihin mo, there's two kinds eh. Huwag mong galawin yan. Bata ko yan. O huwag mong galawin kasi cleared sa akin yan. Iba yan. Kagaya ni, for example, Luot, si General. Si Luot, pati si Garbo, na-assign yan sila si Luot. They were both assigned there. Pag may operation ang police, sabihin niya na atras kayo dyan, kaya nandyan ang PDEA. General Ardica, maniniwala talaga yung trupa. When as a matter of fact, there was none at all. Yung wag gano'n na diskarte, you really, yung proactive na protector. Pero huwag sabihin mo lang na wag yan kasi bata ni Duterte yan. Parang, so sabi ko, give me one more, two more. I sent somebody there. Ang mga taga-Davao na police, called them to go there and check again. Itong si King, sabi nila, nalato them from Cebu. Parang siya yun na hindi. No, I really do not think kasi itong binigay sa akin ng pinaano ko, isip naman came out, there are so many King. Nung duda ako, sabi niya hindi daw talaga siya. Well, anyway, sinabi ko, have yourself investigated. But if the FBI says that you are the one, sinabi ko talaga para kill you. Okay? Now, ito dito sa mga marami ito sa local governments. But the thing that really got my goat, itong si Albuera Mayor Espinosa. Kaya sabi ako noon, mayor pa ako, bakit itong Bohol nagbabaha? It's a tourist destination internally. Bakit sa Cebu at Bohol maraming droga? And Bohol, because, Bohol people are passive. Yung mga Odean taga Bohol, ayaw talaga ng gulo yan. The most passive tribe in the entire Philippines, ang Bohol. Ayaw talaga ng gulo yan. At saka every family sa Bohol, may pare o madre. Ganun yan. You try to talk to them. Obligado yan sila until now na may pare o madre ang isang pamilya. Kasi karamihan nga dito sa Bohol, to mention it in passing, karamihan sa mga sundalo natin is Ilonggo pati Ilocano. Kaya magtanong ka dyan, punta ako doon sa ospital. Ilocano, Ilonggo. Wala na ako nakita na Piyot, Chabacano. Kano itong Bohol, kaya pala Bicol, ang Bohol katabi ng Leyte. Southern Leyte. The side that faces Cebu and Bohol. Pero matagal na sinasabi sa akin na, sir, punta ako minsan kasi doon ako pinanganak, doon the last election. Wala akong kasabi. But yung mga pulis mismo ang nagsasabi na. So nung sabi na siya, pati pulis mismo, ano siya. Tapos yun, may parang isang transaksyon, kasi ba't yung anak niya. Sabi ko, positive ba kayo? Tinawagan ko yung positive. Yes, sir. Meron dapat mangyari ng exchange of shabu. Kaya, magalit ako. Ang order ko talaga was shoot on sight. Alam mo kasi, many of you might be wondering, kung operator yan siya ng shabu, o user yan siya, bakit hindi nyo hinuli, kinukulong ninyo? Ang problema kasi, ma'am, ang batas. Baski magsabi ka, I had 1 shipload of shabu but I sold it to somebody 10 months ago. Wala ka tanong. Because the essence of the crime is possession and custody. Kagaya sabi ko, I manufacture in mga taas, Danao, Cebu, doon mo sa Danao yan. Oh, we were able to finish something like 10 politics. Where is it now? Napabili na lang. Wala kasi. Now, if you ask me na, bakit hindi nyo kuna ng drugs? But only if he gives his consent. Now, other smart alert would say, what is bawal is yung pilitin mo, itorture mo magsalita. But just the same, if the inmate would resist, ayaw talaga niya magpakuha, at iganon mo yung liig, sige, hawakan mo yung paa, kinunan mo ng dugo, it is still under duress, which would not stand in court. Kailangan pa ng baril, nakuha mo ka na. Pag possession user, may mahuli ka na. And if you insist user ka, o kumuha ka ng kit doon, we will extract his urine. Urine yan. Ayaw mag-ihi. Pulpugin mo ito para maglabas. That's duress. You get it under duress, though. Wala rin. Aside from the constitutional right, the right to silence, anything that is taken from you out of duress, from your body, mahirapan yan. Mag-technical tayo sa Supreme. When I'm a fiscal, so that I should know. Kaya the best sa akin, kagaya nitong si Albuera, we know that he has been at it, and he is really the culprit of it all. Wala akong choice, sabihin ko, shoot on sight. Mabutit na lang nag-surrender siya. Yung anak niya, pag hindi naman surrender, patay talaga. That's the only weapon that I can use. Kasi nga yung possession. Kasi lahat ito dito, I'll take you in. Do not publish it right now. But I was dead in the recording. Nung nagkainita naman, yung pagka-mayor ko, at alam nila talagang papatayin ko sila. Nagsi-alisan. I was told that in China, just this digital map, it can zoom in to the last porok in Sulu. Pag switch on nila, just the map of Mindanao. So may zoom mo sa Manila, dyan Pandakan. Kita mo yan? Dyan mo ipahulog. Tapos mag-zoom in ka doon sa Pasig. Doon niya kunin niya. Yung may tindahan dyan. Real time. Yan ang instruction ng drug lord. Hindi ko naman natin kilala kung sino. Ipapasa ng... Tapos yun. Oh, how can I... It's run by lieutenants na lang. Wala nang lagwa dito. Yung nangamatay dyan na walang pangalan ng mukha, in-check talaga yan. Ito yung naiwan dito. And do not, if you're Chinese, do not be offended because my lolo, ma'am, my lolo is a Chinese. Lam, galing talaga siya. My lola, yeah, my lola is a Maranao. So wala kayong problema sa akin. I mean, it's not really to ganon. Akala nila nga, ng mga matay dyan, that is part of the apparatus eh. If I cannot destroy the apparatus, I will not be able to solve the seriousness. Noon makita nga ninyo, and I remember na I was being hit for extrajudicial killing. So yung namamatay, paprakahan ko na lang kayo, namamatay dyan na walang kakilalo nakiklaim. Nasa punerarya, lugi na sila kasi sige sila buhos ng porno rin, wala naman nakiklaim. Yun yung, ang mahirap yan, ang masakit ganito. Yan, kinorecruit yan sa Fujian, doon sa lugar ng lolo ko. Yung taga-bukid yan. Pinadala yan sila dito, hindi sinasabi sa kanila na anong klase yun. Pagdating dito, masanayan na sila, bigyan, sige ikaw ang mag-distribute. Patirahin mo na sila ng isang buwan nila sa lugar. Yun yung mga lieutenants dito nung nandoon dito pa sila. Makaawa eh. Ako sa Davao may nahuli ako 5. Talaga, sabi nila. Kasi dito ba na nagsasalita niyan eh, Pukin eh. Hindi man namin alam, ano pala ang kasalanan natin. Wala talaga yung mga taga-bukid kaya dito makuha ka doon sa Mindanao na wala talaga alam na. Akala nila pag manufacture yan, legal yan. Oh. Doon rin ako nasasaktan. But you know, they are members of the apparatus. And I have to destroy this apparatus because kita mo noon, Duterte extrajudicial. Akala ninyo 1 or 2 or 3 transactions. When I became president, inipit ko na lang. 5,60 nga naman. And just imagine the magnitude of the contamination. These are the potential na walang pera na mag-hold up yan, mangawat, pakyat bahay, kung ano-ano nang gawin magkapera.
Yung mayor na sir, yung 6, napatay kanina. Abera.
Pinatay na?
Oo, kasi nagmandaban sila eh.
Kanina, di ba? Ngayon ako nagising.
Sinis yung bahay, 50 armed supporters niya ang hinuli. Eh, nagpaglaban, yung napatay?
Siyang sa abuelo na?
Oo.
Di ba nag-surrender man siya kahapon?
Oo. Tapos pumunta yung mga polis doon, nanlaban, napatay yung yung 50 other armed hinuli. Ang daming nahuli high power fire.
Alam mo, ma'am, ako sa totoo, this is not a brief for the police. Totoo sigurong may salvaging dyan. Possible eh. Lalo ng yung talian sa likod. Palakukan mo. I mean, I would not go for that kind of shit. Bakit nagkagaruda yung tao? Bakit mo patayin? Hindi, kulong mo hanggang tulad sa kulungan ngayon, hindi na sila makahiga. Tindig na sila lahat matulog. That's enough. But you know, you can make it a general condemnation. Ako hindi ako nang ganon. Pero yung ako as experience niyo, pati ako, I mean, shoot out talaga. Pero ang cover ko 5 blocking kalublaks. Hindi talaga ako matamaan. Okay, pagtanong kayo sa mga tayo, 3 months on, bakbakan kami. Diyan sa highway. Talagang barilan kami. Kasi itong a constant user of shabu in 1 year's time. Sabi ng forensics, yung Amerikano nagsabi sa amin, because meth is also produced in Mexico, kasi mahirapan sila sa heroin. Ni-interdict na ang Amerikano, active na sa satellite. But truth to tell, itong mga sinabi nga ng Amerikano sa research nila, constant use of shabu will shrink the brain. Kaya yan sila paranoia. Totoo talaga yung may baril. Whether lalaban yan o hindi, may baril yan. Whether talagang maybe when the moment of truth, kung talagang bubunot ba yan ng baril. Pero ang order ko talaga sa police, do not wait for that. Pagka makita ninyo may baril bubunot na, do not wait for him to aim that gun to you because pag namatay ka, ayaw ko kasi makita mamatay ang police. And that is the rule in America. But that rule was changed radically. Noon, it was not enough na maganon nga. But with the advent of terrorism, anything that is hostile, parang magduda sila. Mere suspicion, basta magganon, pagsabi, put your hands up, lie down. Pag hindi ka sumunod, binabaril talaga. Kaya nakakaroon ng sa Amerika. Kaya yung police, pati black, basta ka. That was the product of a resolution of the meeting between the chiefs of police in America and the United States. It was agreed by them that kind of hostile act, kung the act just yung bunot ka, kasi baka So bagong development sa crime fighting na. Huwag ka talagang, pag sinabi, taas mo kamay, huwag kang di ba sa Amerika, pag nahuli ka man, ganun ka talaga sa nobela. You're not supposed to, talagang babarilin ka. So pag sinabi mo, pag parang hinabol ka, ganun ka agad mo kamay mo sa nobela.
So, wala mo na itong sabihin na mayors.
Ay, yung mayor?
Oo, wala ka naman sabihin.
Wala, ma'am. Mostly sa dito sa Region 4, marami rin mga Moro.
So, wala mo na sir.
Dito, nakakasabi ko nga, I'm still trying to, kasi itong protector. What do you mean protector? Kasi kung gusto ko active dito sa'yo, huwag yan, hayaan mo yan. Alam ko yan, sige palusutin yan. Pero magsabi lang, huwag yan kasi bata ni Duterte yan. Ay, mahirap eh. Alam mo kung bakit, ma'am? Pagka-politiko kasi napahiran mo ng gano'ng issue, he is finished politically. So, hindi maganda yung... So, yung sabi protector, hindi ako kumpante. Tsaka the right to be heard. Kaya napunta na dito yung dalawa. Resign na to. Hindi na, sabi ko, I'll review. Sabi ko, protector. Marami mo kaming leader. Sabihin lang ng bata namin yan. Hindi namin sinabi na. So, minsan ang lifestyle. You'd notice, sabi ko, wala. Kayong kung may moro dito, do not be offended. Lifestyle. Rilo, yung up-to-date talaga sila mga Rolex na talaga yacht master.
Kasi may tanong sa doon sa China. For FBI.
Absolutely none. I am sending President Ramos there just for a talkative dialogue. There is as yet, no hard proposals for negotiation. Well, just anything under the sun. Sabi nga he supplied the answer si President Ramos. He said, I'll just go there for fishing, Mr. President. Sabi ko, go ahead, sir. So, wala muna because it does not yet time to be insistent. But pagdating na sa negotiating table, which is being avoided in our semantics now, then that is the time that I will say, I will present the arbitration award. We will not go out of this. Kasi nga, nandito tayo. Precisely, we are being, well, hindi naman compelled, but circumstances force us to be talking here because of this judgment. When the time comes, wala naman talagang pinag-usapan, eh, oh, why would you facing the Chinese for what reason? Except itong. So we will not go out of the arbitral court. Marami siyang kaibigan, anything, but it would not be the political officers. I am sure he would also avoid that. Kasi pagka-official na kasi, you might say something there that would be taken as your part of the already informal talk.
So you're not saying that we are negotiating?
No, precisely that word is not. I've stressed that several times during our meeting.
Engaged in conversation.
Just sabi niya, I go there for refishing because correct, as the president. Just to do that. I also took in, I commissioned Alunan. And I don't know what one other guy, very retired.
There was someone who suggested magpadala daw ng isang Chinese na
Well, back channeling. Back channeling, a lot of them. Marami ako. Yung mga nandyan na. One of them is Chito Santa Romana. He has been there for the longest time. Sabi ko, samahin mo lang because he knows, matagal siya nakatira doon. When he escaped the Marcos regime.
Sir, wala pa tayo ng ambassador sa Beijing. Sino ba napupusuan mo? Kasi that's the first thing na
I told Yasa ito, dito mo kanina, but he's not ready, he has to talk to them. He said, he does not have the time because he's told him to go to pass by also the Middle East. Meron tayong crisis doon. And India has taken the steps to feed the. I sent Mamunjong sa TESDA and si Gabs Mamao. Classmate. Sabi ko, kasi pa muna dito, pag mag-utang lang kayo, babayaran ko. And for those who want to go home, kasi ang practice doon is kinukuha nila yung passport ng mga employee. Sabi ko, kaya you might want to pass by Riyadh one day. Just assure them that you will be giving them the travel documents. Pas kinawala na yung passport, then I'd send a plane to charter plane to. Anybody that wants to go home can come.
Sir, you have not appointed anyone for the development authority?
Not yet. Marami kasi sila nagagawan, but eventually I think it has to be Teresa store.
So,
Para isa na lang.
Isa na lang.
And besides, historically, alam mo na, wala na. Milking cow yan.
Dami ko.
Yes.
Sir, marami kayong priority bills sa form bills. May na-appoint na ba kayong presidential legislatively as office?
Marami sila nag-apply. I think Middle Diaz chosen one. Next meeting that was taken up during this meeting, last meeting, he would have the names.
legislative agenda, sir, which is CONCON o COMCO?
Alam mo mga ganito, ako gusto ko kon early on sabi ko kon. Nung sinabi ni, tinanong ko si Joe, kung sabi ko, Sir Ben, how much do you think I'd be spend? Billion. How much siguro? Kung matagalan niya, mga 30 billion.
CONCON.
Commission? Subject to the, ayaw ko mag-isa. I will have it ratified by the Senate. Yung concurrence nila. Mahirap mahirap magkalat yan. But it's just a matter of actually, and even the grammar ng 1935, about 75% was also reincorporated in the subsequent Korea. And even the Marcos's time. Ang dito lang is to remove the 60-40, maybe just place it in parity. Filipino alien tab. Wala kasi we have to retain the ombudsman. We have to retain, as a matter of fact, it should be strengthened. If there is anything that we can add to its teeth. Wala na masyadong tayo ano yan. Kasi ganito yan eh. Mas ano itong bilateral, by camera. As a politician for the longest time, mas mabuti parliament man. Then you provide for a strong presidency. Just like
Elected by the
elected by. Siya na ang elect ng buong bayan. Wala na iba. The thing that about a pure parliament is what happened to Britain. Well, of course, it's the cabinet because it's a collective body. So when they decide, it has to be put on vote. Yung nangyari sa Britain when the first wave of terrorism came in, yung double deck, nagputungan. It had to take several hours for the cabinet to deliberate. Hindi pwede yung ganun eh. So, you might want to have a president that has a few powers, but real powers, the solution of parliament, calling for a new government. Itong foreign policy to declare war. With so many islands, 7,000 spread all over our country, mahirap po.
So, wala na yung con-con, sir.
Gusto ko ma'am, pero ang problema is the enormity of the
So,
Friends.
O EO na lang, sir. EO to create the constitutional commission.
maybe.
Concom. You're open to Concom.
Oh yes. Pero kasi kung you do it with the representatives of the people, ay yung kon as o kon. Pero pag sinabi ni Bundok na mag-abot ng 20-30 I need the money for some order and endeavor to do it. I would rather strengthen the itong gobyerno, baliwala man sa tao. Yung bigay ko ng sago negosyo, yung gano'n. Then I have to, but the highest ang ano namin sa aming proposed budget for next year, ang pinakamalaki is education. I insisted on it. We have to educate our young. Then sa health. Itong health, I will force the issue. Talagang, walang yung paro.
Sa pag-fit in federalism, sir,
Yung France.
yun ang federalism.
Yun ang federalism, yun is a strong president. Limitado lang ang power ni Hollande. Beboy pa yung buwang. Pero few provisions but powerful, intended to keep the integrity of the country intact. Pero yung day-to-day, bigyan na niya sa private. Alam mo, for all of his whatever, in the hindsight, pinaka-bright na dumaan dito. Sinira lang talaga ng ito, sawa niya sa lima. Pero kung hinayaan mo, biyayang dagat, very successful. Masagana maintenance, buong tangko, no? It was ay Davao, nakikita mo talaga. Ganda mo.
Are you still on track sa federalism timetable mo, sir?
We will decide. I will call Soto and Soto. Sila Soto kasi si Alvarez, yung iba ka rin, yung sympathetic sabi ko, pag-isipan natin pa rin, then talk up with yung speaker, pati yung Senate, si tapos sabihin natin, let's give the Filipino an option. Kung were it not for the huge amount needed to go on with this papayag ako, but do you remember the con of yung paper post? Ilang taon ba? Then you have paid the debate whole day, baski yung wala, then they will have the staff, the the staff, the cars, allowances for every committee. Ubus yung pera. Di mabuti ba, huwag na lang. If I'm to spend, sabihin mo, to trade wars, 50 billion, huwag na. Then ibigay ko na lang yung BBL sa Bangsamoro at ibibigay ko na lang kay Maswari. I'm willing to part with Sulu and the rest of the island. Kanya na yan. Then they can have the natural resources and everything.
Buhay pa pala BBL.
Alam mo, pag hindi mo binigay kay Murad, medyo magulo. Remember that Murad said that he will go to war if BBL is not given to him. And we were scared that because it was not given to him during the last Congress, by the time that it was, smart thing. And it is not good to humiliate, lalo na mga Moro, kasi mula ng muka. But we were able to masahin namin. Ako, I went to Palanso. There's no reason just to go to war just because we failed. We will try to work out something.
Kaya pupunta si Teresa doon sa Kuala Lumpur.
Kaya doon na siguro. Nandoon na sila. Pati na sila. Ang ating Defense Secretary.
Doon sa Kuala Lumpur, sir, ano? Minamasahin na.
Ewan ko, sabi ko, tingnan mo dyan. Sabi ko, hindi ako papayag na tagilid na.
Sir, sige, ikaw may tanong.
Yes, sir.
On a lighter note, sir, what did you give up for your non-business stay? You still have a love life?
Oh,
Really wanted to answer it. I'm to answer it.
You want it raw?
Ewan ka dito, Ricky.
You want it raw, you want it light? Tell me.
Truth, sir.
You want
Truth, ma'am, is I'm 71 years old. Okay? And I will need Viagra to make it. At least a semblance of a good, maybe no longer the 1 hour, 2 hours. Used to have it, but really, now it's a may timer ang gago, ina. So, hard enough, but you have to have this focus, libido talaga. Beautiful one. Pwede sheer beauty. Pero dito noong nasa Malacanang na ako, alam mo kung tanong kayo kung pwede ako maging sabihin ko sa dalawa. Wala kang nakuha. Except for maybe your patriotism. Maliit ang trabaho mo yan. Hindi ako noon. Tapos I have so many problems. Yung work. Palang sisimbahan sa ospital. Anong ospital? MRI, walang Barrett, infection. So I almost gave away 50 billion. Galing ako sa AAP Medical. Kaya kawawa mga sundalo. Binigay ko lahat yung mga equipments nila. So these are the things but they're asking for more. Pagdating dito, you it alone. Ayaw, maring magtabihan sila sa akin. Mahiya, may mga gagawin. Kasi upo ka dito, silang niyo. So pag-uwi ko doon, ako mag-isa. Or if there is a lady, ginawa ko. As usual, meron ako. Parang, ito ma'am, hindi ito yung bullet train ng Japan. This is the old train ng panahon ni Butch Cassidy and Sandra. Ito yung ganun lang.
Sir, may nocturnal activities ka pa daw ah. Nagbabike around ka daw Metro Manila.
Minsan.
Kikita ka, maraming mga
Di ba, naka-helmet.
O naka-helmet. Ni-stop ka daw sa gate, tapos hindi ka pa napapasok kasi naka-helmet. And when you remove your helmet, finally na-recognize ka. Totoo ba yun, sir? Sa Pasig? Sa Pasig?
Oh.
Totoo ba?
Tuhanan na lang natin. Tapos yung chug-chug-chug. Pag maisip ko, ang problema mo, problema ng lahat, problema ng bayan, ito na yung train na may reverse. Chug-chug-chug-chug-chug-chug.
Pabalik ka.
Mag-uwi doon sa terminal, chug-chug-chug. Tapos magpara. I-switch mo ulit. Chug. Chug-chug-chug. Sabihin ko na lang, iya, matulog ka na. Wala na akong libong.
May tanong ang sports namin, sports editor sa Rio.
Isa yung Filipino athletes sa namin Rio kay World. Meron mo kayong last minute message for this?
What, sinabi ko lang na, but I did not promise them, but if with the grace of God, perchance manalo tayo, they would have the corresponding awards. Yan, incentives, gano'n. Pero ngayon, medyo kompleto naman. Si Butch Ramirez naman ang ano. Sabi ko, Butch, tingnan mo lang kung ano talaga. I cannot give you the maximum. Not the barest minimum, but something in the middle. Sabi ko, we can only provide so many disciplines kasi ayaw naman ng wala tayong talagang kapasidad. You know, just for fun, maybe if you here would like to sleep there, gamitin mo yung kwarto ni Marcos. Kasi si Aimee, ewan ko to, buwan ang tanong ano itong mga security guard. Saan piano ro, nagtutugtog. Mayroon ng puti. Yung nag-rocking chair.
Sir, nakakapag-gold ka pa ba? Hindi na. May isa man lang ako.
Inaayos nila, but pinaayos ko lang sa mga officer, sabi ko, sige, gamitin ninyo. Awa naman yung mga...
Binawasan daw ni Noynoy ng 2 homes para palakihin yung bahay pangarap. Sabi ng FBR, ang maangal sa FBR. Sabi na,
Tsaka it's too big. Kasi parang may malaking function dapat yan, cottage lang. If I would want, cottage lang. Yung cottage na, huwag na yung, sayang yung space, hindi naman nagamit. Because if you really want to face your visitors dito sakay ka naman ng bars dyan. It's about 2 minutes, dito. I would not have spent that kind of money. Huwag mo lang sabihin kayo namin. Kung gusto ko lang, cottage lang.
Sir, meron kayong decision, sir, sa airport? Are you taking up Mr. Apple that Sami project niya sa airport?
Ang plano ko namin is yung general aviation. Yung general aviation, yung hangar, or hangar if you want to pronounce it that way. Yung hangar na general aviation, yung mga aeroplano ng mga mayaman. Pag tinangganon mo yan, ang dead end yan, Merville. So I can build another. Lipat na lang sila sa Clark.
So anong timetable for the additional runways?
Tugadi is doing it. He might have the answer. I give him time. 2 months pa no. 6 months time, he would have the blueprint to present to me. Ililipat yung general aviation sa Sangli or make Sangli domestic lang. Lahat domestic yan, tapos ito international, itong naya.
Because sir, ano yun, yung sa amin yung domestic, yun yung plano ni Mr. Am, yung sa kasi meron na yun sila nito sa proposal for
Sir mo na.
Or will you ask for other proposals or you bid out? Anong mode na gagawin?
I'd like to talk to you frankly, itong practice ng Filipino na Louis Bid. I'd like to talk to the Ombudsman one day soon, pati itong kuha. Ma'am, I am not a believer in Louis Bid. It is the most corruption dyan pinakamalaki. I would rather that I will go for the quality of the product I am buying.
So actually, sir,
Kapag ka lowest bid, lowest quality yan. And dito sa Pilipinas, I hope it will not be repeated again during my time because I will not allow it. For example, 100 million. Noon, yung dumang eleksyon, umabot ng 30. Kaya nakalitsid ang projects ng gobyerno. Yang 20 na yan, kung sino may-ari ng distrito nandoon yung highway na yon or public 20 doon yan sa congressman. Tapos may stupid regulation pa na pipirma ang mayor pati barangay captain sa mong place. So maghingi rin yan. So ang contractor, ilan na lang maiwan. So ilagay mo yan, usually is ang 100 million project mo is only actually ang product niya. Never is only good for about 50 or 60, 50.
so unsolicited
That's what-
proposals na lang.
Or, kung madalian if they can devise a Swiss challenge, or I will disregard yung lowest bid. Ayaw ko talaga tanggap ng lowest bid. Sabihin ko na lang sa inyo and come up with a very, very detailed explanation why I hate lowest bid.
Pero sa may timetable rin kayo kung kailan yung gusto na kasi nagkakagulo pa rin tayo sa airport eh. Kailan ang timetable yung
Meron ata si Art Tugadi is more predilection niya is Clark eh, kasi galing siya doon. But you have to have a train. Build a train for Clark and Pampanga lang, and Bibian. Kasi pag walang rail o walang special lane, talagang bagong daan, it could work hardships, not inconvenience. Ako dito lang siguro. So, every time sabi niya na is still working at it. Nag-assemble kasi siya ng tao na karamihan pinaalis na niya yung...
Mr. President, we would like to present you a framed copy of our front page. Yung issue ng SONA nyo, may we present that.
Oh, wow.
Yung SONA,
Thank you.